Hello everyone, welcome to Vlogmas, and this is day 10. As you know, I have a lot going on when it comes to Vlogmas. I have a story to tell you every day. And if you want to know a little bit more about the Vlogmas reasoning and what to expect, go to some of the earlier ones, day 1 through 7. I repeated it every day so that you can get a feel for what to expect. But let's get into this. Normally, if you come to my channel, we're talking about fashion, lifestyle right here in my city of Chicago, and just a little beauty. Anomalously speaking, I don't know why I use that word, but anomalously speaking, we are going to be talking about a lot more beauty during Vlogmas because I'll be unboxing an advent calendar from the Body Shop. And so let's go ahead and get into day number 10. And you know what? Fully expect for me to get the days wrong as we're doing this because it's hard to keep up with what day it's on. I don't even know what day today is, to be honest. Talking about what day of Vlogmas it is. So let's go ahead and look at this calendar together. Hopefully they made this easy for us. Let's see if day 10 is not on top. Let's see what we got here. Let's see if we got, oh, that was that one. Day, nope. And then, so it's here at the bottom. Oh, this is so hard to do with one hand. We're gonna have to use my foot. Oh, 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 oh. This is a struggle fest. Oh, there's number 10. It's big. I'm excited. It's a big package. What does it say right here on top? It says our community trade fair. I'm sorry. It's hard to see because I got all kinds of things on my screen here. It says our community trade fair. Tea tree oil is sustainably sourced in Kenya. We partner with a number of independent farmers who steam distill the leaves within 12 hours of harvest to ensure we're bottling our purest and most potent oil for you. All right, let's see what we got here. Oh, this is a struggle fest. One-handed. Do not recommend 1 out of 5 stars. Do not open things with one hand. This is serious here. And look, I'm struggling to see how to open this because I'm doing this through, I don't know why I'm doing this through the camera. Why don't I just open it, right? I'm trying to have you see the whole experience. Whatever this is, it's really cool. Oh, gel shampoo, tea tree. Oh, I definitely need to use this to purify my scalp. So I'm a natural hair girly, you all. And, which means, wash day is a thing. It's a whole day thing. And I don't even have that much hair, and it's a thing. And so also because I'm a curly hair girly, I try to retain as much moisture in my hair as possible. All the things, try not to manipulate it that much. So I don't wash my hair every day. It's not an everyday thing. It's probably like more like a once a month kind of a thing. And as you can imagine, there's buildup that happens in a month. And so I have been looking for a really good purifying shampoo that doesn't strip my hair. So hopefully this will be a good one, but I'm definitely going to be trying this one, and I'll let you know. I'll revert back way later, way after Vlogmas, after I've had a chance to use this. I'm going to be closing the loop on after trying some of these products, which ones I recommend, and let you know which ones I've gone back to buy more of, getting like full size. This actually is a full size of, it looks like it to me, a full size of the product. But what I go back and get more of is always important to share with you all, because then you know what you need to go out and go get and go try. So anyway, that's today's unboxing. I'm super excited about that one. That's big. That one's a big one. But what I do want to talk more about is all of the stuff that I got during Black Friday. I'm just unboxing it little by little with you, and I'm trying to be careful about what I unbox in front of the camera because I don't remember what all I ordered. I don't remember where I ordered stuff, and stuff is still coming in, you know, because not everything is instantaneous when you order online. Some things take a few weeks to get. So as they come in, I'm like, what are these things? So I got all this stuff here from Nordstrom. Nordstrom had a, I don't know if it's Nordstrom or Nordstrom Rack, I can't even remember, but they had a sale, and picked up quite a few things. What I don't understand is, and what I don't remember is, what could possibly be this big? You can't even see the full, let me, hold on. What could possibly be, and it's still not fully in the frame, what could possibly be this big? So we're gonna find out together. I'm starting with the little thing because I'm one of those people who love, you know, taking the path of least resistance. So this one seems like it's gonna be the easiest to open and the easiest to figure out. I'm hoping, because I remember buying a navy blue t-shirt, long sleeve t-shirt. I'm hoping that's what this is because it feels light. I need it because I don't have this big. Believe it or not, why are they blowing leaves right now? Of all the things that I own, I don't have a long sleeve navy blue shirt. Of all the things that I own. So, and that's what this is. Let's see. I'm really hoping this is good. This is Midnight Navy Blue. It's not exactly what I was thinking because it's kind of slightly sheer. I don't know if you can see the sunlight coming through it. It kind of translucent. It's from the brand Cast Line. It's an extra small, but it's a bit baggier. Just looking at the fit of it, it's boxy. It's a bit baggier than I was expecting. And the color of it is a bit more like almost like a heathered navy blue, which means it kind of has like a sort of striation to the color. Let me see if I can let me find my phone here so I can do a cutaway real time so you can see what I mean about the detailing on this here. Can you see that? It's more like hard to see, but it's like a little striated finish to it, and you can see the light through here. It's a bit translucent, so definitely will get worn, but I was looking for it to be a bit more solid and basic so I can kind of more of a professional look and feel to it, but I'll definitely wear it. It's not exactly what I was looking for. I can't remember the original price or the sale price, so hopefully I have the wherewithal to go back and find that for you and put that on the screen so you know what kind of deals we getting over here. Let me move on to the next big boxes. That's what we're most excited about. Okay, now that I've gotten this open, I fully remember what this is. This, my friends, was a deal of a lifetime. I got this from Nordstrom Rack actually, and they were having an additional 40% off of clearance items. This is a pair of Stuart Weitzman boots, and the original price on here I feel like was $895 or $865, something like that. I got these boots for $83. Plus I had Nordstrom notes that additionally that took additional discounts off of this. So before the Nordstrom notes, this was like 92% off the original price. Now I don't know where else you can find something. I mean, $83 for a pair of fully leather boots this size is unheard of, even for a lesser known brand, let alone Stuart Weitzman. So let's go ahead and dig into this so you can see what I got. I got these are black boots, black leather in a size 6.5, and hopefully I picked the right size because ain't no going back. They sold out very quickly. They do come with this enormous, ginormous dust bag that says Stuart Weitzman here down at the bottom. It's very pretty. Very quality bag. And the bag ain't what we talking about. This is what we talking about. These are over the knee boots, and this is what makes them special to me. They don't have the crazy stiletto heel. This is something that you can wear on repeat regularly all the time. The toe box is an almond shape, which is one of the ones that I prefer. Oh, they have the price on here. The original price was $895, and I got these for $83. And again, a little bit of an additional discount because of my Nordstrom notes. I think that this may not be for everyone because it's supposed to be fitted. There is no zip or tie or anything on here that will, make it easy to get into. So if you have thicker ankles or thicker calves, I could see this being a problem. I am on the skinny ankle gang, skinny finger, skinny ankle, skinny all the things, extremities gang. So much so that it looks kind of weird. So this is not going to be a problem for me. However, I do want to, I'm looking at it. I'm super excited. So I want to put them on. I want to put them on right away. And I'm going to let you know if this is a problem or not. Apparently not. Right on. Oh, it's a little, the shoe itself is a little bit too big for me, but I'm okay with that because I have so much shoe, like the leg part will keep it in place. Then there's a tie here, so I do have, again, thinner extremities, so this is skinny here too, so I'm glad they have a tie here to make sure that it won't slip down. But as it stands here, look how high up it goes. It goes up to the thigh. I like this. This is really, really nice. I think we're spending way too much time talking about these boots, but I'm super pleased with this purchase. With it being 92% off and it's a good fit, I am a fan. All right, lastly, we have one other big box, and now that we've gotten down to this last big box, I am starting to remember what this was. And this is more like lifestyle. This one is not fashion, even though everything else is usually fashion and beauty related. This is lifestyle related. This one is bedding. This one is from Nicole Miller. This is a cotton waffle comforter set, and this is a it's like a white and blue. The aesthetic of my room is like kind of beachy vibes, very light blues and grays and things like that. I keep it peaceful, and this fit right in there, and loving the unique texture of this as well. So I do have a queen size bed. That's what this is, and it's a 3-piece set that comes with the pillow shams and stuff. So I thought this was cute. I am looking forward to using this and, you know, keeping the peace in my bedroom. Oh my gosh, this is future me. I totally forgot to close out the video, but that was day 10. And sorry about that. So hopefully you enjoyed that unboxing, both the Body Shop box as well as the things from Nordstrom. And definitely subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you can see every single day in Vlogmas coming up. I have some really amazing things to share and a beautiful trip across the pond. Love to share. Don't know what day that's going to be just yet, but make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss it.